Hey, welcome back to Papa's Custom Cars. It is Easter Sunday, and because we've got dinner later today, we're just going to do a few chores around the shop. It is spring approaching, even though it's 50 degrees, 40 degrees, and raining outside. I was watching one of the YouTube channels I follow with the Fab Rats down here in southern Utah, and their first video this weekend was on garage cleanup, and we're kind of in the same place. We've got to swap over the tractor, get it to from winter to spring by putting on the mower deck, which means we need to pull the mower deck out, which I already have, and I've already got the tractor out. The only issue is I've got to move the tractor outside, rearrange my welders. My wiring setup is just a total disaster. So a bunch of little cleanup things we've got to do this weekend. I'll go ahead and video all of it for you so you can see what has to be done and what a mess it is, especially the wiring area. It's horrible right now. So let's get to it, and let's get this all taken care of. So let's get going. So first things first, we got to get that Mustang out and get the mower in. There's only 3 cotter pins that hold the blade, or I'm sorry, the mower deck to the tractor, and then there is a cable that activates the blades so that they spin and all that kind of fun stuff. So I had to get under there and fight with that cable. Best thing to do is put the cable on before you put the mower deck on, and that'll allow you a little bit better access to it. So now we're done with that one.
A few moments later.
So now it's time for the welding area. We've got to peel back the plastic because it's pretty filthy from the winter. Get the welder out of the corner and rearrange all that fun stuff. Well, while I was over there, I was checking the outlet, and I had no voltage to that outlet. So I thought that was kind of strange. So I pulled apart the box to take a look inside, and what did I find? There's no power running to it. So doing a little bit of research, I found out that the black feed line was not connected into the main. So yeah, the outlet's not going to have power. So I had to shut off the power, rewire that so that that outlet is hot now, and then put it all back together again and go put everything back together again, excuse me, and then head over and turn it back on for the power so that I could test it out, and boom, what a surprise. When you hook up the power, it works. So now I'm just buttoning it up, making sure everything's all clean and nice in there. As you can see, if you're looking at the outlet a minute ago, you saw the little red lights lit up, or the little orange lights lit up saying that it was all okay. So button up the box and I'm done there. So time to go back to cleaning that welding area. It is filthy there. The lawnmower was parked there all last summer. Never cleaned it, so there's grass and all kinds of garbage all over the place. So got to sweep that all up before I can even start cleaning. Those are my paint cans for the fence that I got to take care of next year. Another reason why the car takes time. And so just finished getting this swept up so that I can move the mop in and clean up that place. It's all clean now, and I've started moving over the plastic tiles that where the mower sat, so that I've got a nice plastic floor tile there, and I don't have to worry about it getting dirty. And it also makes a nice area to roll the welders to, so I can definitely have a nice clean place to keep those. And if I decide to put the tractor back, well, I can just add a couple more tiles and good to go. But for now, the tractor's outside under cover, which is a good place for it. So now it's time to put those welders back. As you can see, I've got them all up against the wall, all the 2 of them, and I've also put the big charger over there along with the small charger. Later on, I added a hanger for that wire, that extension cord, so I had a place to put it. So now I've got to get this plastic cleaned up because it is filthy. So I ended up mopping that whole area and getting it all cleaned up, so it's all done. including the tarp. There is some oil on it I've got to get taken care of. So with that, you guys have a happy Easter, and I'll see you on the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.